When they say there's no money online, I laugh because a lot of people are making a huge amount of money from online space. Even that Telegram you have in your phone, do you know you can earn a lot from it? Right now, what myself and my group member are using to sustain ourselves now is from Telegram. And one of them is what I'm here to share with you. This is Gmail Farm Pro. You might know about it, you might not know about it. But if you don't know about it, this is me telling you about it now. But before I go on, please note, this video is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advisor. I do not guarantee any specific earnings. Your result depends on your efforts and you are free to make your own research. So let's go. This is a Gmail Farm Pro. How do you earn from these updates? First, the link of this update will be on the comment section. Use the link to register. Now, how do you earn from it? You earn from creating Gmail. Yes. So let me show you how much you can earn from creating a Gmail. So let me show you how much you can earn from creating Gmail. So click on menu. Start. For each task you will receive 0.16 cents to 0.25 cents. Let's say you are able to create 20 Gmail a day. Times 0.25 cents by 20 email and know how much you can earn a day from this Gmail Farm Pro. This is a cool update. All you need to do is just for you to get ready. Now, how do you create the email? Just click on this new account. Click on new task. So this is it. First, this is how much they will pay you for creating email. For one email you create, they can pay from 0.16 cents to 0.25 cents, depending on how much they decide to pay. Okay, so now they have given you the information you need for the Gmail creating. All you need to do is just to go to your either Google Gmail. Once you touch your Gmail, click on add account, create from there. I think that one is better. Okay, now when you start creating the account, they will ask you for the first name. The first name they will give you, you are going to come here and copy the first name here. Every information you need for the Gmail is here for you. Don't put your own information, please. Like, for instance, let's say I'm creating my own Gmail. Like, I want to work with this information now. If they ask me my first name, this is the name I will put, Jonathan. The second name, Martin. So date of birth, this is the date of birth I'll put, December 7th, 1999. Then, this is how they want the email address to look like. This is the sample they need. In case after creating it, the Gmail give you a different email address, you can change it, put it manually so that it will be exactly like this, Jonathan Martin 374 at gmail.com. This is how they want it. Then this is the password they need. This is the password they need. Then once you're done, you come here and click on done. You see done? Then they will say validate successfully. New tax registration. This is the ID. Now they will say, please now add the recovery email. This is the recovery email they need. Sorry. This is the recovery email. So you are going to add the recovery email. After adding the recovery email, then add the password again. Then come here and click on check for recovery. Once they check it and see that you did a good job, then they will credit you. So from this particular update, you can make up to $20 a day, and I'm not capping. This one email is 25 cents. Times 25 cents by 20 email you are able to create in a day, or you can even create 100 email. There's no limit to email you can create in a day. So if you do this in a day and check it by a week, you know how much you're earning from here. And their withdrawal is so fast, guys. Their withdrawal is so fast. Let me show you the one I withdrew before making this video. This is the withdrawal I made on 26th. I made a withdrawal on, I withdrew money from this update on August 26th. I don't know if you can see this. I withdrew $2.09 on 26th. And they paid me. Let's go to my spender so that you know when they paid me. That same 26th, that's when they paid me. Look at it. This is it. If you can see this, that same 26th, that's when they paid me. So it doesn't even take up to 24 hours. So I will advise you to hop on this update. Update choke. Now you know get strength to work. This is where I will stop in this video. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment section. This is Always NTV. In this channel, I share legit way to make money from the online space, both from sites and app. And if that is the kind of content you love, please do well to subscribe on your notification bell so that whenever I post any video, you will be notified. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. You guys know, of course, I love and appreciate your support. Thank you. And please don't forget to like this video, drop your comment and help me share so that others can watch too. See you in my next video. Bye.